the amount of light bill you're gonna pay. And I guess you're not gonna really know what to expect until when you have your first guest coming or your first couple guests.
So guys, we're on our way to Clarendon, right? Closer to where you call down there, so
Rocky Point.
Rocky Point.
So we're actually going to Portland Cottage today. We have a subscriber that has contacted us and they requested that we come and take a look at their place. They're going to turn it into an Airbnb and they wanted us to come and have a look, and they also wanted our opinion. So of course, you know, I could go have a look. We saw pictures and
it's fabulous, guys. It looks
awesome.
Nice. It's nice. So it's in the south coast of Clarendon, guys, right close to Salt River. We actually did go to Salt River before, and also a river called Freshwater in a video previously. Sorry, so if you guys haven't seen that video, you can check the info card, guys, or in the description for the time we visited there. So I mean, Clarendon is a place that is not often spoken about, right? But Clarendon is very, very beautiful. Clarendon have some nice place, and where we're going is definitely one of them. All right.
Actually, when we were on our way to Mineral Salt River, on our way to Salt River, you know, we got some sceneries. Like there are some sceneries over that side. As Adrian said, you know, sometimes we don't look at it as a parish of attraction, but man, tell you, out there nice. Out there nice. Out there nice.
We're on the South Coast Highway right now, right? This is the toll booth heading to Old Harbour. So it's somewhere off here. So I turn off in a place called Freetown to go down there. You know, people who are familiar with this side will know what I talk about.
We want to shout out and pick up our 3 channel members.
Guys.
So remember, you can be a member of our channel, right? So channel membership, channel subscription is up, y'all. Get into it. Come and join the Delprat family, the squad.
Man. Yeah, man,
come
definitely,
on.
guys. So I mean, if you just wanna give us some support, you know what, you want to show us the love, guys, you can become a channel member. So big up Damian Brown, right? Nicole Gardner and Ella Berelli. Big up on yourself, guys. Is it? Big up, man. So channel members.
Y'all are like the big G's right now. Like, you are our big supporters, and we thank you very much for supporting our family.
Definitely.
Supporting our channel. Remember to also share our videos. Oh, and subscribe if you haven't already. We're on our road to 50K. Road to 50K is real, people. Road to 50K is real, and we want you guys to get into it.
Guys, so where we're going now, alright, is basically a house that they build on land, guys. Alright, so I know a lot of persons are interested in building from scratch. So this video, along with the tour that will be coming up, will be a 2-part video. So we'll be going, doing a consultation, we're talking to them, looking around, see how them can get onto the Airbnb platform and stuff that they can do to become super hosts like us, right? Because we're proud of our super host status, you know. You know, we are super hosts, 8-time super hosts, guys. Right, so we have average 5-star rating on the platform, guys. So anyway, so yeah, so these guys have built a vacation dream home, guys, from scratch. So yeah, only can do the same thing too. We posted a video just recently, right? Pamphlet Heights in Clarendon. That video is up on the channel, guys. Those lands are for sale. You can check them out in St. Thomas, guys, in the hills of St. Thomas. Beautiful view. So if you guys have some dreams, some hopes to accomplish something like this that we're gonna be showing you today, you guys can refer to that video as well, and also that video will be in the info card, guys, so check it out. It's the thing there.
3 kilometers. Take the exit on the left.
So we're exiting in 3 kilometers to the left. So I'm really excited to see, you know, we saw pictures, and of course the pictures are really nice, and I want to go and see. You see, Airbnb is a very wide platform. You don't have to do what I am doing exactly. I don't have to do what you are doing to benefit or to be successful. It's about variation. It's about adding diversity. It's about bringing you to the platform as well, because your Airbnb is also a reflection of yourself. and it's about giving Airbnb users a totally different experience each time. So you can have your Airbnb and give the feel out in nature.
Yeah, true.
I've seen Airbnbs nowadays where you have what we call that now?
Like
It's
some
like
shack?
some shacks, like
Yeah.
very native Jamaican, like way back in the 1960s
Up in the
kind of
bush.
vibes, up in the bush,
And people appreciate that.
and people appreciate it. So I'm saying, like, you can literally do a lot with the Airbnb platform. You don't have to do what the next person is. You don't have to do what we're doing. You can bring your own personality, your own experience to Airbnb. In fact, that's another thing that you can do. There's a thing called Airbnb experience
Yeah.
that you
In
can
600
also.
meters, take the exit on the left.
Yeah,
Yes.
so we're gonna go off now. We can show them. So so we'll turn out to do the Freetown exit here.
Okay.
Alright, so as I say, this road I like carry go Salt River.
Take the
Alright.
exit on the left.
Yeah man.
Never actually turned off.
And Lionel Town.
before.
Yeah man. Around our drive.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm one time.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Yeah.
Turn right.
Oops. Oopsies.
Yeah.
Oopsies. What to do? All right, so guys, this is what high pro.
Yeah, they make feed over there.
In
Yeah,
600 meters, turn left.
So we're on our way. So there's, as I was saying, there's a thing called Airbnb experience, and you have a lot of things that you can offer on the Airbnb platform. So look it up, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, Salt River. Water look nice.
I'm gonna go take a dip.
Yeah. Yeah, water look nice, man.
Hey guys, we are here.
Yeah, we arrived, guys. So, I call the guy shortly, make him come out. Alright, so the place is really, really nice. You get me? So, we're gonna help them with how to market it, you know, to get the kind of audience that they, you know, would want to stay at a place like this. You know, so we be, you know, we'll see how it go, guys.
Yes, so stay tuned, guys.
Guys, so we are actually here at the Campaign Villa, guys, in Clarendon.
Yes.
It's exquisite. You get
We're
me?
actually here. We're in bedroom number 3.
Yeah.
And we like it. It's nice.
It's nice,
we like
man.
It.
So,
Right?
guys, just a sneak preview, right? So we're gonna do a full house tour,
Yeah.
right? So you can see exactly what you're gonna be getting when you book here.
Yes.
You know, so this is just a sneak preview. All right. Yeah. So this is one bathroom. All right. Private bathroom. Yeah. So most of the bedrooms are private bathroom.
We're here with the host of Campaign Villas, Javan, and he wants basically you guys to know that his place is here, is open for business. But what we're also talking about a while ago is the beauty of the place and how it will reflect on Airbnb.
Right. And how he'll market it. So this video goes up, guys, this villa will be listed on Airbnb. You know, so we are here going through, you know, some steps that, you know, he can basically take. So yeah.
Definitely. So one of the big steps is basically having pictures up on Airbnb, and really good pictures. So it can't just be pictures where you snap with your phone, pip, pip, you know, like if you have to show people what they're getting, and if they're not going to spend money, you have to show them what they want to spend money for.
Correct.
Them needs to come and
see.
with great anticipation for your
Right.
place, and picture makes a big difference.
Guys, yes, so because look at it this way. No matter how nice your place look, it comes like a YouTube thumbnail. No matter how good your video is, no matter how nice your place looks, if the thumbnail or in the case of Airbnb, if the pictures on Airbnb is not up to standard, not professional quality, people won't even click to know that the place is really nice, you know. Because I mean, that's a lot of the downfall. That's one of the main downfall. A lot of persons on the Airbnb platform where they have really nice offerings, but their pictures are not up optimum quality.
So when I am on the Airbnb platform and I'm looking for a place, the bed is very important to me. I want to know how the room looks.
Yeah, so
a nice, modern, clean room like this needs to be represented well in picture.
Yes.
All right.
And this is just one.
Yes.
This is just one, guys. So I will say, if you don't want to see the house tour will be posted afterwards, guys. You know, camping villa.
Yes.
Exquisite Airbnb here in Clarendon.
And
Portland Cottage, right?
South Savannah Road, Portland Cottage.
South Savannah Road in Portland Cottage, Clarendon, guys.
Now people are pick their bedroom just from the pictures in the
True.
Like literally they're like, alright, we are gonna stay there so that I'm my bedroom. Alright? And yeah, people do that.
Yeah, it's true because when with our Airbnb, the people them already come and know which room they want to be in, you know.
No, for real, they actually pick their rooms already. Like,
yeah, man.
That room there for your own, that room there my own, and you know? Yeah.
So put up lots of pictures, the Airbnb plus the surroundings.
Yeah,
the river.
I really don't want to do too much crowded stuff in all our room.
Minimally nice, less is best.
Yeah.
So it's perfect. Trust me.
Yeah.
Trust me. So guys, so we are here chit chatting. Alright, so we just showing another little sneak preview, guys. Another little sneak preview. This is the dining area, dining living area. Right, and see the entertainment center right here. Nice, you know. Yeah, so guys, if you don't want to see the full house tour, stay tuned. There's a pool, a private pool house around the back. Everything, guys. You can just stay tuned for all of that, guys. So there you go, all a vibe, guys. Yeah.
The amount of light bill they're gonna pay, and I guess you're not gonna really know what to expect until when you have your first guest come in or your first couple guests. Cause some people are different, you know. Some persons use our Airbnb and they'll just for a moment and the light bill come through. You know, a small amount and we're like, wow, I didn't expect that. And then one person come for a week and then the light bill is like,
it's sky, yeah.
wow.
Yep. Okay, guys, so we're actually in the living and dining area of, you know, Javon's Airbnb. All right. Campaign villas, you know. So, right, Javon is here managing this thing, you know. So may I ask you, so who come up with this design? Who come up with, you know, this whole, you know, vision?
Yeah.
Well, me and my cousin, you know, so that's the owner of the house. The owner of the house is my cousin, right?
Overseas?
Yeah, he's overseas, right?
Okay.
So, he basically say he want a flat, you know?
Yeah.
He don't want a upstairs where, you know?
True.
He
like
just want
that.
a flat something but bossy.
Yeah.
So that we give him.
Right.
Get a flat. Even the land, your friend Jeremy.
Yes. But I'll leave the information. So as it relates to the landscaping, a friend of mine actually did the landscaping. He has a landscaping company. So I'll leave his information in the description. Right. So guys, you see more of the land in the house tour. In the house tour, you get a more of a, you know, a view of the land.
Definitely.
But yeah, so
the inspiration now, finding the designs, like how do you go about finding, I said, I like that and I put that right.
You see, Instagram, your phone in your hand is a powerful thing, you know?
True.
You get this from there and take that from there and put it together and you get something marvelous. And that's what majority I think that's what they did.
Yes.
Right? So we see a ceiling and we say, boy, the ceiling is nice, you know, but what? We want to change it and make it our own. So even the round part, we see a ceiling and we see one ceiling we want round, and we say, alright, we're combining the tray ceiling with a round thing in the middle. So everything combined are just from different ideas.
Yeah, I really like it.
Inspiration from everywhere. Yeah.
Guys, this place has about an acre, right? 4 bedrooms. How many baths?
4 baths.
4 baths. Pool. Jacuzzi, gym,
and the gym has a wash for itself.
A wash for itself, right? 3-car garage at the front, 3-car garage at the back.
And you also have your bar area and your barbecue area that needs a pool.
Yeah, man.
There's also a pond with koi fishes.
Yes. And you know, you can get that bigger too, you know, eventually, you know.
Yeah, man. You know, so the idea there was, that come up, I see it on Instagram and I say, boy, I really like to raise fish and stuff.
Yeah.
So I say, boy, I'm not gonna like the idea, you know, but what? Me I go do it, you know. Me I go do it. So I put it to him and he say, alright, I give 150,000 if you do that alone.
Yeah.
And we come up to like two something. But it was worth it. It was worth it. It was worth it. But
yeah, man. It's a good look, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Yep.
So we do like what you do.
Yep.
We love the overall.
Guys, so we're actually getting a booking inquiry here now on Airbnb. Alright. Yeah, man. We're actually here now to talk about Airbnb, and you know, we inspiring more and more persons on the platform because we are doing it in real life, right? And these persons, they have the vision as it relates to the design and so on. So to put that to the Airbnb platform, it's a marvelous thing. Yeah, man.
So it was really good talking to you again, Javon. And remember, it's like sometimes you see this and you don't see yourself doing it, and if you just dive into it.
Exactly. No matter how young you
dive in.
No matter how young you
True.
It's the world is the limit. So,
yeah, the horizon is, you know, you just have to go out there. You know, come like when you fly the drone, you know. When you're on the ground, you see it from a different perspective. So when you lift the drone up, you see the view vast. So you say, whoa, you know?
The biggest step is to start.
Definitely.
Just to start. So once you get yourself on a platform where you can start,
awesome.
Just go ahead and
yeah, man.
Any idea you have, go ahead and do it. Right? 2022.
Yep.
Social media.
Yeah. Definitely. And we are trying to grow more on Instagram. We actually didn't have a Delprat family dedicated Instagram before. Now we do. And we are posting over there the Delprat family on Instagram, the Delprat family on TikTok. We have a few videos on TikTok as well. So guys, go and check them out. And you want to shout out the Instagram too?
Yeah, man. My Instagram is Jev Conceited. That's Jev_con_seated.
Yeah, man. So give him a follow over there on Instagram, guys. Alright, so we just shot the tour. So if you are interested in seeing the tour, just stay tuned, guys. A couple of days from this video being uploaded, you will see the house tour, the full house tour.
So come up, you can't afford to miss that one, alright? So when you contact Javon, remember to tell him that the Delprat family sent you, and you'll definitely get a discount. Alright?
For sure.
Alright, guys, remember to subscribe to the Delprat family channel if you haven't already.
And remember, yes guys, and remember to become a channel member. You get exclusive perks, alright guys, for being a member.
50K by May. 50K by May. Subscribe if you haven't already.